So the question I had to answer was how many people are left in the city when the ash hits? At the start, there are 20,000 people in the city. A graph will be provided. So what this graph is pretty much saying is how many people per hour are going to be leaving the city. And so the way we would calculate this would be by trying to find the area under the curve. And so for that, I made this graph that pretty much divides the sections of the graph so it would be easier to find each area. And for example, for the first section, it was divided into 3 sections. So for the first section, you would pretty much need the area of a rectangle, which is base times height. So the height would be 7,000. And we will multiply that by the base, which is 0.25. And when multiplied, we would get 1,750. And it would pretty much be the same thing for the next rectangle. So it would be an additional 750. And for the next section, I divided it into 2 shapes, one a triangle and the other one a rectangle. For the triangle, you would need the formula for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 times base times height. So the height would be 4,000 times 0.5 or 1/2 times the base, which is 0.25, and 3,000. As an answer, I got 375. And so pretty much this section is the same as the rest, the first 2. So I would just add it to 1,750 for just that section. So you would pretty much be doing the same thing for the rest of the sections. And as you can see, they're all divided to make it easier to calculate how many people will be able to escape the city. And so as a final answer, I determined that 18,000 people will be able to escape. So if you subtract that from 20,000, a total of 2,000 people will be left in the city when the ash hits.